Welcome to another myForest tutorial. In this video you will learn what the import tool is, how to use it, and how to fix the most common issues encountered by users when importing their files to myForest. If you have used another mapping software to generate site compartments, subcompartments, or features, you are able to import them directly into myForest. You are able to import your mapping in three file formats: as shapefiles, KML or KMZ files, or GeoJSON files. Having launched the myForest app, you are able to import your files using the import tool found in the Tools section of the control bar. Clicking on the Import Mapping button, a pop-up will appear allowing you to select whether you would like to import your mapping as a compartment, subcompartment, or feature. Please note, for multiple items, for example importing multiple subcompartments and features, you will need to perform this process multiple times. Using the Choose File button, you are able to upload the file you would like to import. Once your file has been uploaded, click the green Import button. Your imports will appear in the appropriate section. Using the Order button, you are able to move your compartments, subcompartments, and features into a preferred order. Please note you are able to create new compartments and move imported subcompartments into those new compartment items. This allows you to import multiple subcompartments across a given forest management unit and create appropriate compartment group systems to meet your needs. There are three common issues users face when importing files into myForest. Your file contains multi-polygons, your file has no projection type set, or your file contains invalid geometries. To fix this, you will need to alter your desired import in various ways in the previous mapping software you have used. If you have been provided files from a third party, you may wish to contact them directly to help resolve the issue. Using the previous software, you may need to convert multi-polygons to single polygons, set a file projection type, or fix invalid geometries. If you have tried all three troubleshooting fixes, please do not hesitate to get in touch with the myForest team.